Alrighty, a storm is coming. Let's just see how this holds up. Alright, night one of rain on the restorations. Alright, I'm off for the day to sell some Mannington. That is now 2 straight nights of rain on the restorations collection. Alright guys, it's been 48 hours since I put the restorations collection in the rain here. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up, get that water off there. And look at that. Did not blow up, did not expand. I even brought out another sample here to show you. Look at that, completely even, completely level. So the Mannington Restorations collection really is waterproof and it works well.